Find or read reviews that people are talking about AXVOIBX M1 Wireless CarPlay Adapter, 2024 upgraded, converts wired to wireless CarPlay dongle for wireless. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. 2024 upgrade Magic Link CarPlay box. With our wireless CarPlay adapter, you can break free from the constraints of cables. Easily convert your wired CarPlay to wireless CarPlay. Plus, you can still maintain your original operations and usage habits, without worrying about app compatibility. Our adapter lets you enjoy all the features of CarPlay, such as navigation, music playing, Siri Assistant, calls, messages and more. N7 automotive-grade chip. The AXVOIBX wireless CarPlay adapter is equipped with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and 5.3 Bluetooth technology, boosting transmission speeds by 45%. With the latest transmission protocols and connectivity technologies, our product offers faster transmission speeds and more reliable stability. Easy to use. Plug M1 adapter into car infotainment USB port and it's ready to use without any additional drivers or programs. After first time setup, our adapter will automatically connect to your phone every time you start your car. You can still use it even when your phone is in your pocket. Wide compatibility. Our CarPlay wireless adapter is compatible with over 800 car models. As long as your car supports wired CarPlay functionality, our adapter can be used. It support for iPhone 6 and later models, as well as iOS 10 and above. Fit for cars 2015 plus. Only compatible with cars equipped with wired iOS CarPlay, not compatible with other systems. Aerospace-grade aluminum alloy. We utilize high-density braided wire, 6H hardness reinforced tempered glass, and aerospace-grade aluminum alloy body to ensure that the product remains both aesthetically pleasing and professionally designed, while also providing excellent heat dissipation and reliability. Our cables and metal casing have undergone over 50,000 tests, resulting in a lifespan 3 to 4 times longer than plastic receivers. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.